In order to heal atherosclerosis and open clogged veins, you need to pay attention to your lifestyle and diet. There are some medicinal plants and natural methods that can be used to unclog the arteries. Atherosclerosis is very serious and brings with it many diseases. For this reason, we have prepared recipes that are good for atherosclerosis. Clogged arteries due to increased cholesterol and excessive fat accumulation in the veins prevent adequate blood flow. Decreased blood flow or atherosclerosis causes insufficient oxygen to reach the heart, brain, and other vital organs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the video before moving on to the video. If you're ready, let's move on to the video. What is atherosclerosis? Poor lifestyle, cholesterol, and excessive fat accumulation in the veins prevent adequate blood flow in the veins. Atherosclerosis is seen as the cause of many serious diseases. Especially diseases that directly affect life, such as heart attack, occur as a result of vascular occlusion. You can prevent atherosclerosis with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a right lifestyle. What causes atherosclerosis? The most important factor in the formation of occlusion in the vessels is atherosclerosis, which causes the loss of flexibility and smoothness of the inner surfaces of the vessels. There are several factors that trigger the development of atherosclerosis, also known as atherosclerosis. Here are some of these factors: being overweight, smoking, hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, diabetes, sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy diet rich in saturated and trans fats, and advanced age can be listed as. Symptoms of arteriosclerosis: nausea and vomiting, severe bruising on the toes, impotence. Due to vascular occlusion in the brain, memory loss, vision problems, headache, speech disorder, shortness of breath, swelling or pain in the vascular occlusion area, coldness, tingling and numbness, contraction of the toes and fingers in the shoulder, numbness, paleness in the skin area where the vein is occluded, pain and rhythm disturbance in the heart area. Muscle twitches, cramps, weakness and contractions in certain areas, foot pain and gangrene symptoms when resting and walking in vascular occlusions in the legs. What is good for atherosclerosis? We will talk about the positive effects of consuming honey and garlic for 7 days in terms of health. Garlic is one of the most widely used natural foods in cuisines around the world. Its unique aroma is in harmony with other spices and enriches the taste of dishes. Garlic, which helps you work wonders in the kitchen, is also effective in the treatment of various ailments and has been used for centuries. Garlic can be used to fight chronic diseases and infection. Experts recommend consuming garlic raw to benefit from all its active ingredients. In addition, by preparing a mixture with honey and garlic, you can both make it easier to consume garlic and increase its effect. Benefits of honey and garlic mixture: it is good for the circulatory system. The sulfur contained in garlic, combined with the healing properties of honey, is very beneficial for your circulatory system. Both of these materials prevent clotting and strengthen your veins, preventing blood clots and varicose vein formation in the vein. Strengthen the immune system. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of honey and garlic help boost your immune system. Both increase your body's defenses against viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. It lowers the tension. High blood pressure is a disease that threatens your entire cardiovascular health. Try to consume garlic and honey on an empty stomach every day to control blood pressure with natural methods. It controls bad cholesterol. Raw garlic helps clear your bloodstream by removing cholesterol. It also helps keep triglyceride levels balanced. It reduces inflammation. Studies show that many chronic diseases are caused by inflammation caused by imbalances in the body. Both garlic and honey fight inflammation and are effective natural pain relievers for conditions such as edema and muscle discomfort. It is good for cough. Whether your cough is caused by a bacterial infection or a virus, a simple syrup prepared with honey and crushed garlic will cure your cough. This mixture both reduces the discomfort you feel and has an expectorant effect. It is good for flu and cold. All cold and flu symptoms can be suppressed with regular use of this mixture. This mixture helps you fight viruses and triggers the production of antibodies that help protect your respiratory tract. Mixture of garlic, honey and lemon. In order to benefit from all the benefits we have listed, you should pay attention to the organic nature of the garlic and honey you use. Preparation of Juice of 10 lemons, pour in a wooden pestle. It is mixed with 10 crushed garlic and 1 kilogram of honey and put in a glass jar. The mouth is closed with 3 layers of cotton cloth, and it is kept in a dark and cool place for 7 days. After 7 days, the lid is closed and put in the refrigerator. It can be stored for years, and the longer it stays, the stronger it gets. The prepared honey-garlic mixture is swallowed 4 teaspoons once a day. 1 teaspoon is taken in the mouth at a time. It is necessary to dissolve this mixture by wrapping it so that it disperses in the mouth without swallowing it immediately. It is important to consume the drug in this way, because the medicine should be absorbed by the capillaries in the mouth, not the stomach. Drink this medicine on an empty stomach at a certain time every day until it is finished. Consuming this excellent medicine in this way clears the heart and brain vessels. When consumed by direct ingestion, it puts an end to stomach and duodenal ulcer and stomach infection. This cure is used once a year to prevent the healthy people from getting sick and to heal the sick ones. In addition, those over the age of 40 can use this drug against all kinds of problems. If you wish, apple cider vinegar can be used instead of lemon juice in this mixture. Remember, the effect of this mixture differs from person to person according to their daily habits. If you continue to eat saturated fats, sugar, and other harmful foods, the syrup will not have much effect. Fibrous foods. Consuming whole grains, beans, oatmeal, and eating plenty of vegetables and fruits will help reduce cholesterol levels, which cause atherosclerosis, as they contain high fiber. Omega-3. Omega-3 rich foods such as salmon, tuna, and flaxseed help your system to prevent blood clots and oxidation of cholesterol. In addition, lycopene in tomatoes regulates the oxidation of cholesterol. Vitamin E. Foods rich in vitamin E, such as sunflower seeds, will reduce inflammation of the vascular walls. Lower cholesterol. You should avoid foods high in saturated fat. Nutritional supplements. Fish oil or nutritional supplements with vitamins E and K are known to help reduce plaques accumulating on the vessel walls. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to follow our current videos. See you in the next video. Bye.